All right, we're going to haul buns through this stuff. Let's get busy. Okay, we're going to simplify this one and write our answer in standard form. So here we go. We first have this guy. Whoa, that's a big marker. We have square root of, no, I'm just going to say I square root of 32. You guys are cool with that? Yeah. Then we have square root of 25, which I know is 5. That one's too simple to not write that. And then we have I square root of 18. All right, so we had the square root of 32 and a square root of 18. What is a perfect square that divides 32? All right, let's write down some perfect squares first. Let's see. Let's make this marker not so fat. Okay, we got 1 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square, and then we have 16. What's next? 25, and then 36, and then and then and then and then and then and then. Oh, I have no more space. So yeah, 144 would be next. But here are my perfect squares. Which perfect square? And I want the biggest one divides 32. 16. Yay. So I have I times the square root of 16 times the square root of 32. No, dang it. 2. And then that would be, this would be a 4, right? So we have 4 square root of 2, and then put the I at the end. Make sure the I doesn't look like it's inside the square root. Sometimes it helps to put like a little like hangy thing at the end of the square root. See the little hangy thing right there? That way we know that the I is not included. Then we have a minus 5 plus, all right, what is the perfect square that divides that? 9. So we have the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. And what is the square root of 9? 3. So we have 3, rad 2, I. Okay, oh, check it out. These radicals are the same. That's good news. So I can add the 4 and the 3 together. They also have the I. So we have a negative 5. Negative 5. I'm going to put that guy in front. And then I'm going to say plus 7 rad 2 I. Now this is in standard form. I know it's in standard form because I can easily see what the A is and what the B is. What is the A? A is negative 5. What's the B? 7 rad 2. Okay, so let's do our next one, but we'll do it in purple. Okay, this one is a different type of looking problem. I mean, you guys should recognize this. You guys know why you should recognize this? Because a negative boy who couldn't decide whether or not he wanted to go to a radical party, so the square boy missed out on 4 awesome chicks and stayed up all night till 2 a.m. playing video games. That is sometimes what you get after you use the quadratic formula. Oh, so wait. So I can now take out that negative? Yeah, you can write it as I square root of 72. But is there a perfect square that divides 72? Which one of these guys divides 72? Oh, 9. Anything bigger? 36 does? Well, you guys are good. I would not have seen that. I probably would have done 9 right away. And so what happens if I pick not the biggest perfect square? Check this out. Square root of 9 is square root of 8. You see square root of 8? Can I take out a perfect square as square root of 8? What? 4. So actually, I can write this as square root of 9 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Because 4 times 2 is 8. And so if you just keep splitting it up, okay? But I'm going to do 36 since you guys called it out. So I square root of 36 square root of 2, right? And what is square root of 36? 6. All right, so let's rewrite it. We have 9 plus or minus, what is that? A 6 square root of 2, and then the I is chilling right after that. And then we have a 3. Can you easily see what the A and what the B are? No. Well, maybe you can. Maybe you're awesome. All right, let's divide that by 3 and that by 3. What is 9 divided by 3? What's 3 divided by 3? Or 6. 6 divided by 3. 2, rad 2, I. Can you guys easily see what the A is and what the B is? We're done. Okay, I had a question over here about these. When I add those together, how come we don't have a 2I right here? And the answer is here, ignore the 2, the red 2 on each of these. If I had 4I and 3I, that would be 7 I's. Just because the square root of 2 is there doesn't change the 4 and the 3. And so that's why there's not a 2I in there. All right, if you don't understand that question, don't worry about it. Last thing, what is the A for this and what is the B for this? What's the A? What's the B? plus or minus 2 rad 2. So there's a positive 2 rad 2 and a negative 2 rad 2.